Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you, friends. This is the exercise number 41. This is also a very simple SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial. We will learn sketch, smart dimension, circle command, boss extrude, and extrude cut commands from the SolidWorks free exercise video. We are going to use SolidWorks 2020 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch.
Now take Circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 60 millimeters. Diameter is 50 millimeters.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Use depth 20 millimeters.
Press OK. Left-click and select Sketch.
Press Ctrl+8. Take Center Line command and draw lines like this. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Distance is 5 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 10 millimeters. Height is 35 millimeters.
Press OK.
Make them horizontal.
The sketch is fully defined.
From Featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select Direction 2. Adjust the length by dragging.
Press OK. Congratulations!
This is the part, which we were trying to design using SolidWorks 2020. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.